Hi students, welcome to our online classes. Students, today we are going to study about the whatever other things we are getting from the plants. Other things means student, whatever the things we are using day to day life, it may be rice, it may be sugar and other grains also. So these things also we are getting from the plants. And students, I also told you last class that we are eating different parts of the plant body. That means we are eating the root part of the plant, stem part also we are eating, leaves part also we are eating, and part also we are eating. But today also we are going to study about the whatever the main things means cereals and grains also we are getting, and pulses also we are getting from the plant body. But before going to start our lesson, just we will discuss about a one activity which is given in our book. Okay, so I hope all of you will be follow me strictly. So let's start students. All fruits are plant. Here is giving all fruits are plant. Here is one activity is given. Match each fruit with its name. Means already he is telling that match each fruit with its name. Means we have to match the fruit with their name. Okay. Fruit and with their name. See student, here properly you look at here. Fruits is given. See different fruits you can see here. You can identify also, I think, because in your day to day life you are eating these type of fruits. So these fruits is given and also their name also given. So we have to match them exactly. First is, you can see here, it is banana. So banana is where? So banana is written here. So it is banana. Okay. Then again we have to come to here that fruit, that is apple. So apple is where? See here, apple is where? Understood student? Then we come to, I think this is orange. So here is orange is given, here you see. So look at very carefully and try to match with their exact name. So this is orange. Here we come to grapes. See here, grapes is given, grapes is given. Okay. Then we will come to mango. Mango, where is? This is the mango. The name is given here, mango. Understood student? So like this we have to match perfectly. Okay. So remaining is there. This is the custard apple. We know this is the custard apple. This is the custard apple. custard, custard apple. Okay. Custard apple. Or remaining, this is the pineapple. Remaining one is pineapple. So pineapple is here only. Understood student? So this is the fruits and their names. Okay, I think everywhere clear. So next we will go student. Most fruits are sweet and juicy. Okay, most of the fruits are very sweet and juicy also. We will make it juice and we will drink. You know that one. The next question we will come to, name your favorite fruits. And this type of question students, it's for you only. So I will not tell you, because you have to think and you have to write on your book, because what is your favorite fruits. So name your fruits, favorite fruits. Second, name two fruits used to make jam. So you have to think, then you have to fill up here. Okay. First you have to think. If you will not get answer, then you ask your elder one, maybe your brother, sister, or your parents. Okay. So name two fruits used to make jam. Which fruits will make for jam? Jam, you know student, jam that which you will use for bread and something other things you will apply and you will eat. Jam. Name two fruits used to make juice. Okay, and also you have to think which fruits will make for juice, and I think everyone know that. So especially I will tell you, especially we will use for mango, apple also, and pineapple also will make for juice. I said you, after that you think and remaining which fruits we will use for juice also you have to write down. Okay, so this is your homework for you. You have to think and you have to write. Okay, so next we will come to student. See here, you can see this figure. You can identify also, I think, and it is telling, he is telling, what am I, a fruit or vegetables? Means he is asking, book is telling that tomato is a fruit or vegetables. It is a tomato figure students. I am used to making ketchup. You know student, in market there is available tomato ketchup. Okay, so what do you eat ketchup with? So what you will eat ketchup with means with ketchup you will use tomato ketchup for different things. Means you will use for noodles and Maggi and some other things you will use tomato ketchup. For snacks also you will use ketchup. So this is the tomato figure, and it is a fruit or vegetables. Especially students, I am telling, tomato is a fruit but we consider as a vegetables. Okay, so tomato is a fruit first of all, after that we all consider as it is a vegetables. Understood students? Got it? So again we will come to, we get cereals. It is very important students, everybody look at very carefully. We get cereals from plants. And what do you mean by cereals students? I will tell you just now. And cereals are grains. Okay, here you see student, first of all I am telling we get cereals from plants. From plants we are getting cereals. And what is cereals? Cereals are grains. Understood students? Cereals means grains. Cereals and grains both are same. So book is telling cereals are grains. So now I would like to ask you, what do you mean by grains? Grains means students what you are eating your day to day life, means rice, corn, wheat, bajra, oats, barley. So these are called, comes under grains. Okay, and also we can say these are the cereals. Okay, which are cereals? These are grains. Okay, so these all things we are getting also from plant. So students, cereals are grains. So what is grains now? Grains are, in grains, rice, corn, wheat, bajra, barley, oats. These all are what we are eating our day to day life. These all are comes under grains. So these grains we can say also cereals. Understood? So especially that means the rice, corn, barley, oats, bajra, wheat, whatever the picture here you are looking, observing, so these all are comes under cereals. Understood students? So here I can write cereals. First, cereals are grains, grains. Okay, so cereals are grains. So these cereals are comes from, cereals are get, you can write come from plants. Okay, we get plants. So it is important student, these cereals we are getting from the plant only. Okay, so first of all, which is cereals, which are cereals? These are grains. So both are same. we can say. And cereals, what are the things will comes under? Cereals are main food, student. Cereals are main food. Cereals from our main food. We make bread, rotis, pulao, idli, etc. from cereals. It is very important, students. See, and from cereals, upma, halwa, poha, khakra also we made from the cereals. Understood, students? So even in cereals, what are the comes under cereals? I will tell you here. If it is cereals, cereals. In cereals, what are the comes? First of all, rice, student. Rice, wheat, bajra, bajra, bajra. It is a one type of grains. Okay, corn, sugar and corn, you know. Barley also, barley, barley and oats. I think you might have eaten this type of grains. So these all are we can say grains also. Okay, grains, grains. Okay, so these grains means we all means rice you are eating day to day life, and corn also eating, and wheat also eating. So these all are comes under plants only. Okay, and especially from these grains or cereals we are making different types of bread, roti, pulao, idli, and upma, halwa, poha, and khakra. You are eating day to day life. So these all are comes from the we are making from our cereals, or which we can say grains. Understood, students? And these are the our main food which we are eating as our main food. These all are comes under plants body only. Understood, students? Name the cereals which you and your brother were having for breakfast. Okay, so now you have to think yourself in your breakfast day to day life, your daily breakfast, which type of cereals you are eating. Understood, students? So next class, student, we will discuss and what are the other things we are getting from the plant. Okay, students, I hope all of you understood today's class. So first of all thing, student, you remember, and cereals, which are cereals, these are called grains. Okay, so cereals means we can say grains, and grains on in grains rice, wheat, bajra, corn, barley, oats, these all are comes under grains, or we can say cereals also. Okay, students, so I hope all of you understood. So that I am teaching very little bit, not more. So you have to watch this video properly and try to understand and try to remember the whatever the things, and try to read your books. You will get a extra idea, extra knowledge yourself. So thank you very much. Take care, students.